Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Solana from XMO to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your Solana tokens for better opportunities or just to diversify, this guide is perfect for you. By 2025, crypto exchanges like XMO and Bitrue might have some updated interfaces, but the core process remains straightforward and secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both XMO and Bitrue, and that your Solana is in your XMO wallet. Start by logging into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets or Deposit section, select Solana, and generate or copy your unique deposit address. This is crucial because every transfer needs the exact address to avoid losing your funds. Next, log into your XMO account. Navigate to the Wallets tab and find your Solana balance. Click on Withdraw next to Solana. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Paste the Bitrue deposit address you copied earlier, and double-check it for accuracy. Typos can be costly in crypto. Now, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember, exchanges often have minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. In 2025, you might see enhanced security features like two-factor authentication or biometric verification, so enable those if prompted. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction, possibly via email or SMS. After initiation, the transfer will go through the Solana blockchain, which is known for its speed. It could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Bitrue and refresh your wallet to see your Solana arrive. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Solana from XMO to Bitrue in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.